bill is very good because it makes the cost of transformers to the consumers and therefore the cost of power to the consumers cheaper. Brings the cost of our energy delivery lower. But Opio and I and team and the people in trade and industry must also work on the incentives for local manufacture of these transformers, encouraging the current assembly to go all the way to manufacture. Because manufacture is not a destination you arrive at. It is a journey you make through intermediate manufacturing steps. So if that can be worked out, because I think there are 6-7 companies already who are doing some level of assembly towards manufacture. We must not discourage them.
And they're very serious.
And they're very serious. Yeah. And they must be given preferential treatment so that, because they are hiring local Kenyans, they are using local materials, and it is very necessary for us to support them. So I think that is, and Parliament should also be aligned with making sure that they also support investment in the country. Because if we don't encourage manufacturers, manufacturing as a percentage of our GDP is going down.